In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a title and introduction text in Clipchamp step by step. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, online courses, social media content, or business presentations, adding a clean and professional title screen can instantly make your video look more polished and engaging. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to insert text, customize it, and adjust it perfectly on your timeline. So let's jump right in. First, open Clipchamp and go to any project of your choice. You can either create a new project or open an existing one that you're currently working on. Once your project loads, make sure your video clips are already placed on the timeline. This will help you position your title and introduction text exactly where you want it to appear. Now look at the left-hand sidebar in Clipchamp. You'll see different options like media, templates, music, and text. Click on the text option. This is where Clipchamp stores all of its built-in text styles, including titles, subtitles, lower thirds, and animated intro text. You'll see a variety of text presets that you can preview before adding them to your video. Once you find a text style you like for your title or introduction, click on the Add to Timeline button. As soon as you do that, the text element will appear as a new layer on your timeline, usually above your video track. This is important because text layers sit on top of your footage, so they remain visible during playback. Now, you'll want to adjust the length of your title or introduction text. To do this, go down to the timeline and click on the edges of the text layer. Drag the edge to make it longer or shorter, depending on how long you want the title to stay on screen. For example, if you want a 5-second intro, simply drag the text layer to match that duration. You can always fine-tune this later if needed. Now that the timing is set, click directly on the text box in the preview window. This allows you to edit the content. You can either double-click the text in the preview or use the text editing panel that appears on the right side of the screen. Delete the placeholder text and type in your own title or introduction message. For example, you might add your video title, your channel name, or a short welcome message like "Welcome back to the channel." After typing your text, you can further customize it. Adjust the font style, size, alignment, and colors to match your brand or video theme. You can also reposition the text by clicking and dragging it within the preview window. If you want your introduction text centered, simply align it in the middle. If you prefer a more cinematic look, you can move it slightly higher or lower depending on your composition. If your selected text style includes animation, preview it by pressing the play button. This helps you see how the text enters and exits the screen. If it feels too fast or too slow, you can adjust the duration again on the timeline to better match your pacing. Once you're happy with your title and introduction text, play through the first few seconds of your video to make sure everything looks smooth and professional. That's it. You've successfully added a title and introduction text in Clipchamp. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy to follow Clipchamp tutorials. I post step-by-step guides just like this to help you create better videos faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.